Where do you come from? Give me 5, brother. Melbourne, Kidai, mate.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Seminyak Bali around shopping center area. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Seminyak shopping center area. Okay, so if you want to know how the session right there at the moment, just make sure watch the video until the end. And over to today start from Kayu Jati Street. Now we are on Kayu Jati Street, and after that I will make video on Kayu Cendana Street and then around Kayu Aya area. Okay, let me show you how busy Seminyak Bali today. Yeah, this is Kayu Jati Street. Let me show you how busy at the shopping center area of Seminyak Bali today. Boss. The weather today just so beautiful. So hot, so blue. But not humid, I love it. Wow. Narrow street. Hard to walk around here. Even walking is, I have to be careful when you walk around at a small street. And this video I record on 11 a.m. We hope together we will see a lot of tourists at shopping center area in Seminyak Bali today. If I straight on, it's the way to go to Braban. Where's the villa area in Seminyak Bali? Okay, from Kayu Jati Street, now we are on Kayu. Oh, and now we are on Kayu Cendana Street. So let's see together how busy this area today. Wow. This is few nice restaurant in this area, so you should try when you are in Seminyak Bali. This is Sister Phil restaurant. Cross street left side over there. Sister Phil restaurant. And usually I was busy over there. Hello, welcome to Bali. Big body, brother. Same as mine. Bucket restaurant. Bucket. This is Seminyak Village. Let's see how busy at Seminyak Village Mall today. Shopping center area in Seminyak Bali. You see? Seminyak Village. Wow. (11 a.m. at Seminyak Village Mall. Not really busy yet, but few tourists over there already. That's good. Okay, Let's keep continue walking at around shopping center area in Seminyak Bali. And today I will also want to show you how look like Seminyak Square. Woo. But I'm sorry I cannot make video inside Seminyak Village. It's not easy to make video inside over there. Hello, how are you? Where do you come from? Give me 5, brother. Melbourne, Kidai, mate. Give me 5. Have a good day. Enjoy your holiday, brother. Yeah, this is shopping center area in Seminyak Bali. Let's see how busy at Seminyak Village, Seminyak Square today. Hello. $11 a.m. Wow, not really busy yet. But as usually in this area, there is some loud music from the restaurant. So sometimes I have to talk louder than the music. Wow. There's beautiful stuff they're selling here. Wow, music. Beautiful stuff. This is rock shit. Wow. Hello. I hope you know where we are at the moment. I hope you ever been this area. So this video will bring back your memories when you are ever been doing shopping at Seminyak Square. This is how look like Seminyak Square today. Yeah, futurist already. That's good. Wow, a lot of kids. Maybe it's school holiday in Australia now. That's good. It's not bad, isn't it? And restaurant over there, and after the restaurant this is also art market over there. That's big art shop. It's over there. Yeah, futurists having breakfast. It's good. Salon spa, aviary, and art shop over there. Yes, art shop over there. And this is Love Bali. But sorry, this is like some music too loud here. So let's go faster. Woo! The music so strong. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali, Seminyak Shopping Center area in Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Woo. So hot today, so beautiful. Hot but not humid, it's fine. Yeah, some loud music at the front. Okay, let's walk faster. Okay guys, so this is how look like the session at the moment at Seminyak Square. So what do you think? It is interesting to visit for your shopping this time. Yeah. Okay. If I walk there, this is Kayu Aya until to the east part. Yeah. It's quite busy over there. It's good. And this is the way to go to flea market in Seminyak Bali. Yeah, busy around here, isn't it? That's good. A lot of tourists at Seminyak Bali today. It's getting more famous for Seminyak Bali, isn't it? Okay, let's keep continue walking at shopping center area in Seminyak Bali. Music, music, music. Happy music. I hope this video will give you an information how to like a shopping center area in Seminyak Bali. And this is Starbucks. We have Starbucks at Seminyak shopping center area. Busy, isn't it? That's good. Woo. Hello, how are you? Oh, sorry. Hello. Right side? Yeah, one tourist walk around on the footpath over there. And usually this area is always busy because this is shopping center area in Seminyak Bali. Woohoo! Yeah, across the street, the right side. Future is over there. It's good. Wow, this is spa. It's good. Quite busy, isn't it? They come to Bali for shopping, for chilling. Let's go to spa, and for sure go to spot bar, and some also at cafe restaurant. Welcome to Bali. Give me 5, brother. What? Oh, my sister. Oh, my brother. Handsome boy. Wow. Like on movie. Busy. That's good. So busy, isn't it? You see over there. Few tourists over there. Tourists everywhere. That's good. This is Seminyak shopping center area. Busy, isn't it? That's good. Hello, how are you? Yeah, so what do you think so far in this area? It is quite busy, isn't it? A lot of tourists, they are walking around on the footpath and they are doing shopping in this area. They're just really good. Okay, let's keep continue walking until around Kayu Aya Square. Also the shopping center area in Seminyak Bali. Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow. Right side, across the street. Future is over there. Wow. Woohoo. Ready for shopping, ready for shopping. Busy, isn't it? Yeah, actually today I will make video also at flea market, but it's gonna be like 2 video because it's gonna be too long if I connecting 2 video in one frame on shopping center area and also flea market. So I will make separate video for flea market. Hello, hello, how are you? Okay guys, so this is our day today in Seminyak Shopping Center area. So what do you think? Quite busy, isn't it? That's good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update fashion at the moment in Seminyak Bali around shopping center area. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the news in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Woohoo.